Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today I have an animal coin hunt that I've designated Animal Coin Hunt 25. Excuse me. The first coin that we have here is a Maltese coin. It's 1 cent from 1986. On this side we have the coat of arms of Malta, and on the back we have the value of 1 cent. And we have the animal, which is a weasel. This 1986 coin has a mintage of 21,526,000. Next coin. It's from Singapore. It's 10 cents from 1981. You have 2 wheat ears and you have, or they could be rice ears. You have the 10 cent value on the coin. Then on the reverse side, make sure we've got it in the right place, there we go. We have what is called a crowned seahorse. Get that into the centre so you can see it. The mintage on this particular coin is 58,600,000. Next coin is from Australia. It is a 5 cent coin from 2004. On the obverse we have the Queen and the name of the country, which is down this side. And we also have the date, which is there. On the reverse, let's get this up the right way fully. And there we go. We have the value of 5 cents, and it is a short beaked Enchinda, and that's ECHINDA. The mintage of this coin is 145,300,000. That's a lovely little animal on there. Short beaked Enchinda. Here we go, we have 2 coins the same value. They're aluminium. One has the rudder and the other has on the back. Okay, it's a 5 lira coin. There are 2 there. Let me just get them into the right area. There we go. On the obverse we have the rudder with the name of the country, and on the reverse we have the value, and we have a dolphin. We have a dolphin, or a very rudimentary type dolphin. As I said, the 2 years are 1951 and 1954. They were Rome Mint mark is on the coins. From 1951 it was 40,260,000. 1954 was 436,400,000. Another 2 aluminium coins, along with several others that we can get in these coin hunts. There we go. We have the Queen. We have the Queen, and this one is a Canadian 5 cent from 1987. We know that from the back because we have the country, the year, the country and the value, and, or should we say the country, sorry, the value, then the country, then the year. So you have value, country, year, and then you have a beaver. This 1987 coin has a mintage of 106,299,000. This small little silver coin is a South African 5 cent from 1974. On this side we have the coat of arms, the year and the country's name. And on the reverse we have the value plus a crane. I'm not sure if it's a blue crane or the white crane. Might even be an egret. But there we go. Oh, got that bottom one. Here we go. Here's a 5p. This 5p is not a UK one. We have the Queen, we have the year, and we have the country going around the top, around the outside of the coin. It's a St Helena and Ascension Islands. It's from 1984. It's 5p. And then on the back we have a wading bird and the value. The wading bird is a wire. That's a W-I-R-E bird. There's no mintage for this particular coin, and this year was the only year that this particular design was made in this size of coin. Next one is a Diddy coin, probably the smallest coin for the hunt. It is a 1 cent from South Africa. It's from 1991. You have the coat of arms and the year on this coin on this side, and on the back we have two birds on a branch. I believe the birds are budgerigars or some sort of budgerigar. The mintage for this 1991 coin is 379 million. The next coin is from Isle of Man. It's a 1p coin, so it has a queen and the year. Does it have the country on it as well? Oh yes, it also has a country. So the country's going around this side. And you have the year at the bottom with the Queen's portrait. On the reverse you have the value of the coin, and the bird is a European shag, which is of course a seabird. Now I don't have any mintage for any coin of this particular one that was put into circulation. The only mintage figure I could find was 50,000, which was for a proof coin. Now I'm not sure whether this is a proof coin that's been broken out of the pack or not, but if it is a proof coin, there's only 50,000 of them minted. Next one, back to South Africa. A larger coin this time. You have the coat of arms and the year, which is 1978, and it's a 2 cent value. On the back we have the value of 2 cents with a charging wildebeest as the animal. The mintage for this 1978 2 cent from South Africa is 50,527,000. We go back again to another one of the Territory Islands. It's from Guernsey, and it's a 1p coin from 1989 for a 1p. 1989. On the back we have the value and the crab. It's a freshwater crab, I believe. And the mintage for this 1989 coin is 1 million coins. We come back to the favourite of some of our coin hunts just recently for the World Animal Coin Hunts. And we have, which way around is it? We have two coins, both of the same value. They're from Iceland, they're 100 krona. One is from 2004 and the other one is from 2001. You have an Icelandic quartered shield, and within that shield you have 4 characters from myths and legends. One of them is a Bagassi the Giant. You also have a horse on there. I can't remember which one that one is. What the name of that particular one is. There's an eagle and an ox. The fish that's on the back is a flatfish, and it's called a lump fish. The coins for the 2001 coin, the mintage is 2,140,000. For the 2004 coin, it is 2,400,000. Next one is from the Philippines. It's a 1 peso coin from 1994. On the obverse we have a portrait of Jose Rizal. On the back of the coin we have the value of 1 peso, and you also have an ox or bull running through the street. There's no mintage coins, there's no mintage for this coin. The next one is a scalloped edge coin. It's 3 old pennies or threepence. It's got a scalloped edge from 1956. It has a coat of arms of Guernsey, and you have on the reverse you have one of the products that Guernsey is famous for, which is the Guernsey cow. You have the value, you have the year and the name of the country of Guernsey. The mintage for this coin is 506,000. Next we have New Zealand, and we have a 5-cent coin from 1978. You have the Queen, you have the Queen's portrait, the year, and also the name of the country on the obverse side. Then on the reverse side you have the 5-cent value and a sea lizard. This sea lizard is known as the Tuatara, and that's Tuatara. The mintage for this 1978 coin is 20,038,000. There are 2 coins left. The penultimate coin is from Malta. It's a 10-cent from 1992. On this side you have the coat of arms, the year and the country, and on the reverse you have the value, and the animal is a dolphin fish. I could find no mintage for this year's for this coin for this year. And finally, we have a coin from Era or Ireland. It's a 5p from 1996. It has the harp, the year and the country on the side that you're viewing. On the other side we have a 5p. You have a 5p at the bottom, and then you have a bull or an ox. This 1996 5p from Ireland has a mintage of 158,546. Well, okay, thank you very much for staying for the whole of the hunt. I'm glad you did. I am trying to grow the channel this year, so if you've enjoyed this video, please give me the thumbs up. If you haven't, if you haven't, you can give me the thumbs down, obviously. But I'm also looking for people to subscribe to the channel. I have about 35% of people who regularly watch the channel are not actually subscribed. I am trying to grow the channel this year. I am looking for 100, or I'd really like 150. As of the 30th of May, when this video's been recorded, the current level is 79. So if you think I deserve it, please would you give me the thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Excuse me, my asthma's playing up a bit today. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you want to watch. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-da!